Welcome back. It's Chris with Wildflower Landscape Services. We are here at a job in Broomfield, Colorado in the Anthem community. This is a outdoor kitchen grill area with a pergola, cedar pergola. We use 6x6 posts, some 2x8 joists, and some 4x4 top cap. Real simple. This is more aesthetic than actually shade cover. We use some smooth cedar 3x1 here just to kind of screen out the neighbor's house on both sides. Then we used a veneer stone, same stone that's on the house, a buff flagstone for the countertop. The homeowners had an existing grill, and we cut the dimensions to make sure that could fit in there. We also ordered a stainless steel set of doors for some storage inside. As you can see, it came out pretty nice. Again, it's in the Anthem community in Broomfield, Colorado. Hope you enjoy the videos. Give us a call. Chris, Wildflower Landscape, 303-525-6282.